Can you trust your Flipper Zero case? Discover the ultimate 4-in-1 solution for total protection. You love your Flipper Zero, it's your trusty companion for exploring tech and hacking, but finding the perfect case to protect it seems impossible. The market is flooded with options that either don't fit your Wi-Fi dev board V1, fail to provide full protection, or just look plain boring. You've tried other cases, but they don't offer a complete solution. They're either too bulky, poorly designed, or just not durable enough to withstand daily wear and tear. Is there no case out there that combines rugged protection with sleek style and ease of use? Enter the 4-in-1 protective case for Flipper Zero and Wi-Fi Dev Board V1, your one-stop solution to all your device protection woes. This case kit is designed with the perfect balance of rugged durability and sleek functionality. Its 360-degree silicone case offers full-body protection while providing easy access to all ports and buttons. Plus, the inclusion of an EVA carrying case, hand strap, and carabiner ensures that your Flipper Zero is ready to go anywhere, anytime. Say goodbye to flimsy, half-baked solutions and embrace the comprehensive protection your device deserves. What sets this case apart from the competition? It all starts with precise snap-fit technology that ensures a flawless, secure fit. This means no slipping, shifting, or worrying about your Flipper Zero falling out. Plus, the high-quality materials are built to last. Soft silicone gives your device the full protection it needs, even covering those vulnerable corners like the I button. Designed for tough use, this case can withstand daily drops, bumps, and scratches while keeping your device in pristine condition. It's engineered to handle whatever life throws at it without compromising performance. In a world where time is valuable, this 4-in-1 case kit is a game-changer. Tool-free assembly means you can set up your device with ease, no need for screws or complicated instructions. The intuitive design lets you access all the ports and buttons on your Flipper Zero without any hassle. Need to take it on the go? The EVA carrying case is compact and perfect for travel, while the carabiner and hand strap ensure your device is always within reach. Protection and convenience meet in this all-in-one kit, saving you time and effort while safeguarding your device. Protecting your Flipper Zero isn't just about keeping it safe, it's about ensuring that you can continue exploring, learning, and using it to its fullest potential. The 4-in-1 protective case offers unrivaled protection that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. Unlike other cases that wear out over time, this kit is made from durable, high-quality materials that stand up to heavy use. It's affordable, effective, and the perfect investment to ensure your Flipper Zero stays in peak condition. Don't settle for less, protect your tech the right way with a case that does it all.